Chapter 10.2, Ratchet plate. Get a new part, English. I'm going to create a new sketch. Circle, 5 inches. Scroll out. Finish sketch. Extrude. Make that 1/8 of an inch. Enter. Get a new sketch. Come here, sketch on that plate. Circle. Make this one 6. And we also need a 20-degree angle, so I'm going to draw. We don't care how long the line is, but I'm going to hit Tab, type in 20. Enter. Okay, hit Escape. And I just want to try, I may have to put another, let's go up to there. And get another circle, make this one 5. All we want is this arc. So what I'll do, I'll come over to Trim. Failed to trim, okay, let's see what we can do here. Let's see if we can trim this off. That piece. We don't need that or that. But we got to get rid of that dimension. So delete that. Delete the 6 dimension, and now we should be able to trim that off. Get a 5 inch. Let's see if it'll let us trim. Or trim. Actually, I had 2 circles there. We only need 1. So what you want to do is just have this enclosed where we can extrude it. And what I'll do, I'll turn it where we can see. We just want 1 tooth. Finish sketch. Go to extrude. Change directions if you need to, and hit OK. Okay, at this point, go to circular pattern, choose the feature, come over to rotation axis, choose the very top, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There should be 18 teeth. Type that in, hit OK. Now, let's straighten this up. Put another sketch, and we need a 1 1/4 diameter circle, 1.25, and we also need a 1/4 inch by 1/8 of an inch keyway. So I'm just going to draw this in. Like that. Dimension this 0.25. From the center to half of that should be 0.125. And we can trim this off. And let's dimension from here 0.125, and I can trim part of the circle off there, and that'll give us the keyway. Again, come over, tilt your model where you can see what's happening, finish sketch, extrude, cut, and hit OK, and that'll take care of that. 10.2. Again, this is chapter 10, and we're doing section views, so make sure you go back to chapter 10 in the beginning and learn how to do a section view and create a DWG.